Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to record an activity on the OS Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and tap on record an activity, which is the second button. So as you can see, you can start measuring your activity, but first you should select the activity that you are doing down below, such as walk or hike, run, on-road, off-road, horse ride, pedal, and other. So select the relevant one, and here you can see the distance at the top, the time, elevation, and average speed. So tap on the start button, click on allow, and here you can see these measurements here and the map, how you proceed. Here it is marked in the middle of the screen, and if you are done, you can tap on this stop button and click on finish. So you can save your activity. Tap on the save button, and as you can see, your activity has been saved. You can add notes to it if you want to and check out the relevant data. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.